Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death around the world. Recent studies have revealed that even some of the most common and popular foods may contribute to its development. In fact, you might have consumed one of them today. Here are 21 foods that have been linked to an increased cancer risk and that you may want to avoid. 1. Refined sugar. Often called sweet poison, refined sugar lacks nutrients and depletes the body of essential vitamins. It's also known to fuel the growth of cancer cells. 2. Soda loaded with sugars, chemicals, and artificial colors. Sodas create an acidic environment in the body that promotes cancer cell growth. Ingredients like fructose and 4-methylamidazole, used for coloring, have been linked to pancreatic cancer. 3. Processed meats. These meats are packed with additives and preservatives. The World Health Organization has classified them as carcinogenic, with regular consumption increasing the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. 4. Red meat. While occasional consumption might be fine, frequent intake of red meat has been associated with colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancers. 5. Microwave popcorn. Though it seems healthy, the chemical lining inside microwave popcorn bags can release substances linked to liver and pancreatic cancer. Some flavorings may also cause lung conditions. 6th, conventionally grown fruits. Fruits sprayed with pesticides like apples, grapes, and strawberries often contain cancer-linked chemicals. These are regularly featured in the Dirty Dozen list. 7. Potato chips. Frying potatoes at high temperatures produces acrylamide, a probable human carcinogen found in plastics, cigarette smoke, and industrial materials. 8. French fries. Like chips, fries also contain acrylamide. Combined with high fat and salt, they pose a significant cancer risk, especially when eaten hot and frequently. 9th, farmed salmon. Unlike wild salmon, farm-raised salmon are often overcrowded and treated with chemicals to enhance their color. These factors may increase health risks. 10. Canned tomatoes. Acidic tomatoes can cause BPA, a chemical used in can linings, to leach into the food. BPA has been associated with cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. 11. Hydrogenated oils. These oils, found in margarine and baked goods, extend shelf life but alter cell structure and are linked to a higher risk of breast cancer. 12. White flour. Highly processed and bleached with chlorine gas, white flour ranks high on the glycemic index and may increase the risk of breast cancer by 220%, according to some studies. 13. Alcohol. Since 1988, alcohol has been classified as a carcinogen. Heavy drinking is linked to cancers of the liver, mouth, throat, breast, and more. 14. Pickled and salted foods. Despite probiotics, pickled foods contain high sodium, which has been associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer. 15. GMOs, genetically modified organisms. The long-term effects of GMOs on human health are still under study, but some animal studies have shown a potential link between GMO corn and cancer. 16. Artificial sweeteners. Substances like saccharin and aspartame have been shown in some animal studies to cause cancer. Extremely high intakes in rats were linked to lymphoma and leukemia. 17. Diet products. Low-fat or sugar-free alternatives often contain harmful chemicals and additives. These may lead to cancer, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. 18. High-fat foods. While fat itself doesn't directly cause cancer, a high-fat diet may lead to obesity, a major risk factor for several cancers including breast, bowel, and pancreatic cancer. 19. Animal-based products. Some research suggests that cancer cells thrive on animal-based proteins, particularly non-organic meat and dairy. Adopting a plant-based diet could reduce your risk. 20. Smoked meats. Smoking meat preserves flavor but produces tar, a known carcinogen. These foods are high in sodium and may raise the risk of bowel cancer. 21. Dairy products. Studies suggest a potential link between dairy and increased risk of prostate, ovarian, and possibly breast cancer. However, calcium from milk may also reduce bowel cancer risk. More research is needed. Final thoughts. These are the top foods you might want to avoid or limit to reduce your cancer risk. Staying informed and making mindful dietary choices can help protect your long-term health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.